Whitemoney apologized.
Good morning, everybody. I literally just woke up now and I'm getting messages and tags and all that. In light of what the recent events that has happened, starting from when I said what I said about women and the league thing, a lot has been happening. I've been misunderstood widely and misinterpreted widely by a lot of people, blogs, putting out the story in a way that I didn't mean. I guess plenty people who are still angry over that video probably did not see or watch the rebuttal or watch that Apologises live with me and Victoria. On that live video, I actually did apologize to the ladies who felt that I demeaning them or I spoke low of them. I did apologize on that live video. I even apologized to Victoria Inyama, for insulting her, and she also apologized to me for insulting my mom, and we squashed that issue that day. I explained what I meant. I know that the phrase I use generalized all the women, but in all honesty, I didn't mean all the women, and I wasn't even speaking or referring to the women. I was speaking to the guys basically, and those who got the message got the message, but still most people did not get the message and misinterpreted me or what I said widely, which is fine. Everybody is substitute to their own opinion. For those people that did not see that live video and did not get to hear me apologize and are still offended by that video, this is me formally tendering an apology to every single woman out there who felt what I said was demeaning. I didn't mean it that way. Do you understand? I did not ever mean it that way. I was barely trying to motivate the guys, of which most people got it. Most of the guys got it. Most of the ladies even didn't understand what I was saying. But to those few that did not understand what I was saying, this is me telling you that I'm sorry. For that really I am sorry, because the phrase I used probably was not the right phrase. Yes, so for that I am sorry. As of this morning, or yesterday, I think this morning, and I'm seeing tags from Nedu's podcast, The Honest Bunch. To be honest with you guys, most of the people that are insulting me now or even coming against me or dragging me like they say and everything, I'm sure you did not watch the full podcast. I'm 100% sure you did not watch it. Because if you had watched the full podcast, you understand the storyline. You all know that the way podcasts works, the way the media works or media houses work, is the cut clips and put together. And, when they put it together, they do it in a way that it gets attention, whether negative or positive, but they do it in a way that it gets attention so people can go and view the full clip. Don't use a 20 seconds clip that you're seeing online to judge a full 1 hour 27 episode of the podcast that we had. We talked of a lot of things. So the way the media is putting out there is not the way it is on the clip. Go on YouTube and see the comments there on YouTube for people who have watched the full clip. Go and see the comments there and go and see the full clip itself. Do not judge me with the 20 seconds and everything, the way you see it, put it out there, because that is the way they have to put it out there to get your attention to go and view it. And that is the way it has always been. That is the way it has always been for any of those kinds of shows. to get traffic. So please, I urge you to go and watch the full podcast before you come and slander me, to understand. And even if you watch the full podcast and you're still offended after watching it, which I highly doubt you will be, forgive me. Do you understand? Forgive me. Let love and light lead. I would never slander women. I would never talk bad against women. I was raised by women. I love women. My team is filled with women. And I don't have anything against women. Women have been a major part of my career, and I appreciate every single woman in my life that I've come across and yet to come across. So I'm sorry to all the women out there who feel insulted. I didn't mean to insult anybody intentionally. I'm not above mistakes. I'm not perfect. Thank you very much. Let love lead. Bye.